Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, what does the feather do in Mario Kart World? So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got Mario Kart World and you're wondering what the feather does because you just got it. Well, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what essentially the feather does is that it allows you to go over any bananas or anything that might turn you to lose control of your car. So if I go ahead and use it, it's going to launch me into the air, and that'll allow me to dodge any bananas or any shells that are coming my way. So basically, the feather is used as a defensive item in which if you know that someone's going to throw a shell at you, or if you know that you're about to go over onto a banana, that's when you go ahead and use the feather item. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what does the feather do on Mario Kart World. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.